Toothy is a resource that teachers from all over are loving. It is a resource that I have available for kindergarten, first, second, and third grade. It's a resource that I have available for grammar, phonics, and math. And it's easily differentiated and perfect for the spring. So I'm going to walk you through a set of grammar, phonics, and math, and links will be available for all grades and all subjects. So just to quickly show you, all the Toothy mats are available in full color and black and white. And just to kind of give you a little peek, here are the Toothy characters. And just for simplicity's sakes, we're going to show you just the one Toothy mat here through the example. Let's start with the irregular verbs. So just to show you for grammar how Toothy works. All Toothy task kits come with a container cover, a skill helper chart inside, and then what I usually do, the set isn't done this way for some reason, but I put a ring through the cards here and it keeps them together, and it's just a nice way to store them. So what the cards all have a task on the front, and then they flip them over and the answers are on the back. So it helps with the self-correcting, becomes an independent task. So the outside says what is the irregular verb, and so it gives the present tense, and the kids have to decide what the past tense is. So the present tense is fly, the past tense would be, and the kids would write it on the Toothy mat. And then they would turn it over to check. They would be correct for that one, so they would get to draw a tooth in Toothy's mouth. Now, some teachers would choose to do a recording sheet for accountability, and if you choose to do that, they can write the answers here on the accountability sheet, and if they do that, the letter here is on the corner, and so then they would put it in the box I. That's just an extra step, but some teachers prefer that, okay? So that is just an example from the grammar set of the Toothy task kits. Moving on, let's take a look at a phonics set. This would be from the Vowel Team's Long U Toothy. So opening it up again, you will see vowel teams. Write the correct vowel team to complete the word. So here we have a picture of a view, and so you'll see the beginning of the word view, and the kids has to decide what the ending sound would be. So they would write the word with the correct ending sound. Turn it over to check for the answer. They would have it correct. Draw a tooth in Toothy's mouth. Again, if you choose to have the accountability sheet, this would be card Y, as you can see on the bottom. They would put it on their recording sheet here. So that would be one example from the phonics set. And an example from one of the math sets. This would be from the graphing task card set. Again, you see the skill helper chart. This would be an example. This would be graph 1, so what did you eat for lunch? Be a tally chart, so the choices are sandwich, hot dog, chicken, or pizza. The kids would analyze the graph here, and then they'd pick up a question. So question A, how many students eat sandwiches and hot dogs all together? So they'd look at the graph, sandwiches and hot dogs, they'd count up the tallies, and they would see the answer of 6. And so they would write 6 students. They would turn their answer card over to check their answer. They would see they got it correct, so they add a tooth in Toothy's mouth. Again, if they choose to have the recording sheet for accountability, this would be card A, Toothy recording sheet, answer A or box A for accountability. Again, all of these are available for kindergarten, first, second, and third grade, grammar, phonics, and math.